guys, good evening. Welcome sa ating third floor. So guys, ito na yung mga binili natin na mga gamit. Ito na yung gin-unboxing ni April. So ito guys, ayan. Bumili tayo nito. So hindi siya pwede scrub kasi ano siya guys, non-stick. So ayan siya. Ano yata to guys? Mga 1,700 yung ito. Ito siya, at saka ito siya, and then one thermos is 6,700 something, I think. Yun. Yeah, 6,756. Ayun. So ito siya guys. Itong gagamitin ko for our cooking. At ito guys, ang induction na gagamitin natin. Ito ang binili ko noon na vlog ko yata ito. Hindi siya guys nag-work. So hindi ko lang muna siya gamitin. Pagpunta ko sa sa holiday, pagbalik ko hindi na siya nag-work. So baka nabasa siya or ano ang nangyari sa buhay niya, hindi natin alam. So yan ang mga gagamitin natin for today na binili namin. For just today lang din, ha? So ito okay, taas pa baba. Oh, 30 seconds pala for ano guys. Ayan. So magluto muna tayo ng pagkain ni Daddy. Ayan. Okay. So, ayan guys, ang binili natin for today na gin-unboxing ni April. So, makita nyo to guys, ang mga gamit na to na gagamitin natin. At saka ito yung cover ng ng fry pan. So, multi-purpose fry pan siya guys, at saka non-stick siya. Okay, so ayan na siya, oh. Ayan. So, lalagyan na natin ng maluto. Okay. Ito guys, galing siya sa Australia. Dala namin pag uwi dito. So ito siya guys. Binili ko to sa isang store. Ayan, bit-bit ko guys pa uwi. Ginhand carry ko. So magaan lang siya pero breakable. But at least hindi siya guys nabasag. And then nagdala si Daddy. Mura lang to. Parang $7 lang I think. Ito guys, oh. Ito ang ginamit niya tonight for ginamit niya guys tonight for sandwich niya. Ayan. So ipa-cool down lang muna natin. Ayan siya. And then yun. So hopefully it's not gonna rain. Ito siya guys. Ayan. Galing ng Australia. Sandwich maker. Gumawa si Daddy tonight ng sandwich. Parang apat na dalawa-dalawa siya ang ginawa niya. Dalawa-dalawa. Tapos yun, nag-ano siya guys, kinain niya for dinner. Ayun. So yan ang binili namin from Australia sa kayo. And then mga tea towels, galing ito guys ng Australia. Ayan. Mga kailangan lang namin kasi yung mga appliances, I think it's best for us to buy it here kasi ang presyo niya guys, hindi siya magkalayo. Ngayon, ang idea na binili siya namin dito is para hindi kami guys magbitbit. So hindi naman masyadong malayo yung prices niya doon at saka dito. So yung ginawa ko, nag-decide na lang ako na ano na lang, dito na lang kami bibili. Yun. So hopefully hindi ito ano guys, linagyan ko yung cover ayan, dyan ka. Ito ba guys, kasi may ambon, umaambon siya dito, hindi pa kami nakabot ng cover, so magpalagay tayo ng cover. May materials kami dito na naiwan. Ito guys, yan, so baka pwede pa siya dyan, tingnan natin. So yan ang ano natin ang gagawin. So mga little things pagbalik namin galing ng Australia na dapat natin gawin. Yun lang naman guys. Pero natuwa ako kasi nakabili ako ng mga tea towels doon na malalaki, you know. Kailangan kasi dito sa 3rd floor. So I'm really happy na nabili ko siya guys. So itong mga gusto ko na tea towel. So magtingin ako, baka makabili ako sa Shopee ng malalapad. Yan. Shopee na lang tayo kasi minsan it is best place to buy. Okay? So ayan guys. So guys, ayun na. Tapos na kumain si daddy guys. Tapos nakapaglinis na rin ako ng ng mga counter. Tapos ito tinakpan ko lang sila guys ng tea towel. Galing ito ng Australia para na medyo malinis lang sila kasi marami talagang alikabok dito sa taas. You know. Ayan. So mapanood nyo tong vlog namin after all the vlogs na galing sa Australia guys. So we will be showing all the videos first that we took from Australia. So my dilemma guys is my grandkids cannot understand my vlog here in the Philippines, so unless I will speak in English, so the girls can understand what I'm talking about because they are in Australia and the kids are born in Australia, as you know. So mga apo, so maybe we can start talking in English a little bit so they can understand. And even our kids that left in Australia guys, as you know, if you're following our channel, we are really in Australia. Really, they are born in Australia. So they won't understand what I'm talking about unless I will speak in English. Okay? So apology na. Mag-ask na muna ako ng apology sa inyo. Mag-apologize na muna ako in advance if I have to be vlogging in English, so at least our kids will understand of what's going on. So I just have to remember that I will speak in English or else mix tayo. Alright? Right. Sige. We shall just wipe this counter here. Because the sand is coming up from the dust that's coming. Ano ito? Parang ashes na siguro. Maybe the ashes from the volcano. You don't know. Because you know we have a volcano guys that erupted, Mount Canlaon. It is closer here. It's just down the side there. So we're gonna explore Mount Canlaon and see if there are still people that are you know, what's their situation. We used to go there for a motorbike ride, but as of now we haven't been because we were quite busy. So we will be visiting the place and also some friends that we know. So we will go if it's safe to do so. Yeah, so this is our vlog for today. I hope that you have enjoyed. I am going to go downstairs and have something to eat with April and Toto. And Miss Jonah, she is coming home tonight, maybe about 11 o'clock because she finished her work at 10:30. Then she'll have something to eat. But for now, I shall say goodbye from our 3rd floor. Goodbye, good night everybody, and see you in our next vlog. Bye guys.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.